So Innovent Technology are a small agri-tech-based company in Scotland who are developing technology to help producers increase their efficiency on farm. So there's a lot of disparate data sources in the industry, and there's a lot of difficulty talking to each other. A lot of it's very commercially sensitive. So we have a big challenge to try and integrate all the data from the different sources. And that's where the centres have really come into their own, is that they've put investment into farms and they've gathered all this data. And I hope that in the future we can start to integrate much more of it. This specific project, we're looking at correlating weather data, specifically temperature, wind, solar radiation and humidity, against the output of individual farms. And we've taken a farm right in the north of the country and a farm right in the south of the country, different species, and we're trying to do this correlation between temperature, humidity, solar radiation and wind, and see if there's any correlation to that and the output of meat on the farm. What we want to do in the end is create a predictive system that can almost predict the weather going forward and give the farmer some management information that he can use on farm to increase his efficiency. We see Agrimetrics as a data, almost like a data brokering company, to try and house and look at these big complicated data sets that are difficult to understand, and then we can come with some of our technology and see if we can find correlations between these different data sets. So the data integration project is really going to prove technically there's no barriers to the centres coming together to better the industry. So we're going to try and break down all the technical barriers to try and understand how to integrate the data and what can come of it. And our initial ideas have been quite simple, but there's a lot more work to be done to integrate lots of different data streams from lots of different sources. We're very well positioned to process the on-farm data. We have a lot of understanding in the industry, but there's also a lot. Agrimetrics have also brought in a lot of outside help, like data scientists and people, to try and really understand the data. That's never been done before. There's an industry benefit to integrating this data, which stretches right down the value chain. And I think by talking with each other and trying to understand this information that's coming back from the data sets is very, very important to the whole chain. Abattoirs can increase efficiency, retailers can have more on-spec meat, the farmer can obviously increase his efficiency as well. So that's really important. We've got different data sets. We've got satellite data sets, drone data now from the arable side, and trying to integrate that with the more livestock data as well. And that's where we see Agrimetrics really helping understand all these different data sets and put them into one place that we can then use for projects and ideas and improve the industry.